I tell you, by George.
R-A-B-B-I-T.
Rabbit! Hooray!
Harold! On your feet.
Yes, Mabel.
Now here's today's shopping list. First you knock over the service station. Then go directly to the market. And take particularly care to get to the bank before it closes. Understand?
The work to do. Well, there we are. My shopping list for the day. Now, first the service station, then the market, and I must take particular care to get to the bank before it closes. Waldo, I'm going shopping. Now, where is that boy? Never around when you want him. Waldo! Don't sneak up on me like that. Oh, it's not good for the old ticker boy. Well, I'm going shopping. I won't be late. If any of your little friends come over, play nice. Play in the freeway. Look out for that last step. As they say on occasions like this. Oh, Magoo, always ready. Service! How about a little service? Well, finally! Put that grease gun down and fill her up. I'll catch the windshield. Check the pneumatic tires, oil, no maps, just doing a little shopping.
Police! Help! Police! Hold up!
Great balls of fire, boy! If I can't request a little service without all this fuss, I'll accommodate myself elsewhere. Help me get these things sensitive. Hold on there! How about my green stamps? Oh, drat. And I almost have enough for a beaded shower curtain. Pesky turnstiles. Oh, give me the good old days when you could walk right up to the friendly grocer and get some service. New times, I tell you. Oh, what a cute little dyke. Coochie coochie coo. Oh, he was a little bitty baby. Oh, really? I know. The booty. Bye-bye, little fellow. Let's see now. Bottle of rat scat. Quick frozen hush puppies. Fly swatter. No pesky moving parts to get out of order. Fillet of live bait. Number 2 handy can of no grit. Bottle of 5-day ready muffin mix. Do not squeeze the avocados. Hard as a rock. Oh, king-size kumquats. Am I in luck? Yeah, they're in season. Well. A sonic blast. Jumping Jehoshaphat, it's getting late. Ooh, the bank will be closed. A bit of a nip in the air. Good afternoon, Mrs. Schultz. The weather certainly has taken a turn. Oh, she'll catch her death in that flimsy purple print frock. So daring, too.
Now, don't nobody make no false move.
Oh, what have I done? Here, let me help you. Thousand pardons.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Mabel, that man.
Harold, can't I send yous out on a simple errand without you goofing it up?
Yeah, but he...
Oh, my good man. There's no need for all this fuss. Goodness, I just picked your groceries up. I didn't intend to keep them. Here you are. No harm done.
I say, Mr. Magoo. May I have a word with you, Mr. Magoo?
Oh, the
May I-
day's work is done.
Mr. Magoo, sir, may I...
Oh, the chores are done.
Just a moment, sir.